One yolk. One day. One perfect egg. How does a hen turn a tiny yolk into a breakfast staple in just 24 hours? Stay till the end and I'll show you the one final step most people miss. First, no, a rooster isn't required for a hen to lay an egg. Laying is the hen's own internal manufacturing line. But what are the stations along that line? Let's tour them, station by station. It starts in the ovary. Inside a laying hen are dozens of yolk-containing follicles, but only one yolk finishes the trip at a time. When the hen's body says go, one follicle releases a yolk, that's called ovulation. That yolk is basically a nutrient package waiting to be wrapped. Next stop, the infundibulum. This is the funnel that catches the yolk. If sperm were present, fertilization happens here, but remember, fertilization isn't needed for the egg you buy at the store. For the next few hours the yolk moves into the magnum, where the white, the albumin, is laid down in layers. That's the part you see when you crack an egg. It's mostly protein and water, and it's built up like wrapping around the yolk. Then the isthmus adds the shell membranes, thin layers that protect the egg and keep bacteria out. These membranes also provide structure for the shell that comes next. Now the big stage, the shell gland, also called the uterus. Here the hard shell is built, mostly calcium carbonate, layer by layer. This is the slowest part and the most energy hungry. The hen pumps calcium from her diet and bones to build a shell strong enough to protect the contents. A fun twist, shell color, white, brown, blue, green, is added in the last hours by pigments secreted in the shell gland. So the egg's final paint job is one of the last things to happen. So why usually one egg per day? Because the whole run through the oviduct is timed, about 24 to 26 hours from yolk release to egg laid. That's why a hen that lays today often lays slightly later tomorrow, until eventually she skips a day. This tiny factory is sensitive. Light is a major trigger, longer daylight boosts hormones that keep the factory running, which is why laying peaks in spring and summer. Diet, genetics, stress, and molting can pause or slow production. Odd eggs happen when timing slips, two yolks released together equals double yolk, hormones out of sync can cause soft-shelled eggs, or a very young hen might lay tiny, irregular eggs. So that's the hen's 24-hour factory, one yolk, a factory of organs, a dash of pigment, and a lot of biology. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and tell us, do you want a video showing how farmers keep hens healthy during winter? Drop a comment and we'll make it next.